Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download course on Skool community. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your web browser and go to official website of Skool. So I've logged into my Skool account and I'm going to use one of these communities as an example. I'm going to use Upwork Outbound. In these communities, documents, videos, and pictures are shared on the site. But there's one thing that you need to seriously keep in mind. You cannot directly download the videos or images, mainly courses that are posted within the community, because that is the intellectual property of the person who created the video. For example, Nieko Hesse created a video where he was talking to a person in an interview. You can watch the video, but you cannot directly download it and keep it for yourself. However, if the person who created the content, such as videos, images, documents, and so on, shares a link, then you will be able to download it for yourself only if they allow it. Unless they specify otherwise, you cannot download any of their videos, pictures, or documents, as it is their intellectual property. And there you go. So that's basically how you can download course on Skool community. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.